Hey guys, about 10:30. We're about to head out onto the beach. We just got our continental breakfast at our hotel.
Oh, what's up, G2? We here, hooray. I love Sicko Mode, Mo Bamba, I love all those songs, bro. Catch me out on the wave stay, Spring Rag.
Oh yeah.
Let me get a wave check after.
Wave check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wave check.
Yeah, get them waves right now. Oh, look at him. He's swimming. Ah.
Wait, I think they took a wrong turn.
Hey man, you can't drive.
Hey, you can't drive here.
You're on the beach.
You're on the beach.
What are you doing?
What's up, guys? We're heading to the party beach right now. It's about 30 minutes away. We'll keep you guys updated. Keep those donations rolling in. We got to eat lunch today. Hey guys, we've been walking for 20 minutes now. It's still 30 minutes away. It was a little farther than we expected, but we're still going strong.
We're close.
There's the pier right there. It's really close, but it's still kind of far. We made it to the pier.
All right, guys, we're almost there. You can see the party up there. Big party. There's a huge party up
I
there.
think everyone's up there.
Right there. Yeah, oh yeah. I see him.
Just gotta walk a little further.
Yeah, just
We're
a little.
past the pier.
Just past the pier. Took us 30 minutes to get there. There's a roller coaster right there. But yeah, we just gotta walk a little bit more. Yeah, I can clearly see them.
Found some people. A few people over here. It's looking pretty hype. Guys, we're at the party beach now. It's pretty cool over here.
It's nice and warm out here. There's some clouds coming in, but I'm still gonna catch those waves. Spring Ray. Gnarly, dude. Trying to get the gold pass. Some lady trying to sell us the gold pass, but we like, nah, that's a scam.
Hey guys, we're going back to the hotel for some lunch. Just got back from the beach. So we're about 30 minutes into the walk back. We got another 30 minutes to go. We didn't bring any water with us, so we need to get back to the hotel pretty quick.
I'm so
Dying of dehydration.
I need
Donate
water.
to our Patreon so we can buy water.
I need water.
Yeah, if you just give us $1, we could get just a bottle of water.
Wait, is that water out there? There's a lot of water out there. It's like so much. Look at, show the camera over there. There's so much water.
Made it back. We're at the El Caribe. Walking in now. So Austin got a little burnt at the beach. We're gonna rub a little aloe on.
I didn't get burned. Just rub a little bit on it. I can't get it on my fingers, so let's just.
A little bit on there.
Just. It's not coming out.
I feel it. It's so warm.
Oh, rub it in.
Can't wait. Be gentle. It's my first.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I think we need to get some lunch meat, guys. Getting our food for the week.
Getting some Bologna.
Yeah, we're good. Hold on, that thick cut.
About 7:35 here. A lot going on.
Yeah.
It's a really good spring break so far.
Yeah.